Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be tackling the majority of our house, our kitchen, living room, dining area, and our master bedroom and bathroom. It's just been so dirty. This footage is actually from like right after the new year, so we still had some Christmas decorations out and like everything was just a hot mess. So I'm working on putting away some groceries and just cleaning everything up so we can have a nice tidy house again. So here I'm just working on clearing off this counter, putting food in that little cabinet down there. These 3 cabinets kind of function as our pantry since we don't have one. So that's where most of our canned goods and, you know, snacks and things like that go. So I'm just wiping down this counter and all these little boxes and things here. I'm going to try to find a new home for them. I'm just putting them out of the way right now so that I can get the kitchen clean, but I'll eventually come back to them. So here I moved on to the dishes. I'm just giving them a quick like rinse so that I can put them in the dishwasher, and then I will go ahead and clean the dishes that are not able to go in the dishwasher and put those away. All these pots and pans are from the night before. I had made some spaghetti, so I was just cleaning up that. Now I'm going to go ahead and just let hot water fill up in the sink with a little bit of soap. And I'm going to go ahead and soak my iron grates to my stove top so that I can go back in and scrub them. They really have gotten built up with a lot of grease and it's really gross, so I'm going to do my best to get them clean. I'm just taking some cleaning vinegar here and wiping down the stovetop now that I have all the grates removed. I really like using cleaning vinegar because it doesn't use any or leave any marks or residue, and it's really good at getting grease up or butter, anything like that. So here is our sweet Marshy girl. She is a lover, but she's also the biggest scaredy cat, so I was making a lot of noise in the kitchen and she did not like that. So here's our living room. As you can tell, it is just a hot mess. So we're going to focus on getting all of that clean, and there's a ton of dog hair on the couch, so we're going to get that clean, and then we're going to get that little area behind the couch and move on. I also decided that while I was deep cleaning the couch, I was going to go ahead and wash the windows and clean the blinds because the dog likes to sit right on the center of the couch in front of the window, and it just has a lot of dust and dog hair built up on it, and it's just really gross. So I had to get in there and get that cleaned. I don't do this every week or anything by any means, but the couch really just needed a deep clean. So I was soaking it with some baking soda and letting that sit. And I find that when I do this, I get a really, really good clean couch afterwards, and I'm really able to get all the dog hair off, all the dirt, and any odors, if there are any, just from sitting on the couch and having the dog on the couch, all that good stuff. So highly recommend if you've never done it and you need to refresh your couch. So I'm just kind of vacuuming the windowsills and up in the corners and everything because, like I said, it's really dusty and got a lot of dog hair on it, and it's just kind of gross. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash the windows, and then we're going to vacuum the blinds and get them clean. I think it's pretty funny that Marshy keeps coming in and out of the frame, and she's just really curious as to what I'm doing. And it's so funny because I never noticed her right behind me all the time while I was filming this, but now that I'm watching it back, she was pretty much always there, and it's just really cute. She's really sweet. I love her. So now it's time to vacuum the couch, and it's so satisfying watching this. Once I get all the baking soda vacuumed up off the couch, I'm going to go ahead and just give it a spritz down with some fabric softener and then fluff the pillows and put them back on the couch to make it look presentable. I usually have a blanket or two on the couch as well, but you're not going to see that in this video because they were in the wash. So that's the only thing that's missing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and spray down the couch with some Febreze. I make my own with some fabric softener, and then I am moving on to the entryway area, and you can see that there's clothes on the floor that I threw from the living room. There's a bar cart there that I need to put together, and just a hot mess, as always. This entryway table tends to get really junky really fast. We put all of our things here. My husband just dumps his pockets here. My purse goes here, anything in my pockets, and it just gets a little crazy. So I'm focusing on cleaning that out and then organizing these shoes. And then I had some Christmas decorations in the back of that truck, so I'm just getting rid of those so that I can put everything away and be completely done with Christmas. I don't know if you guys can see all that dog hair that I'm about to vacuum up, but man, let me tell you, my house within probably 9 hours of cleaning it is just covered in dog hair again. She said so badly that it's just like a chore, I swear. But with the Dyson, it's honestly so satisfying vacuuming it up, and it never misses a beat. So watching this footage back is super satisfying. So here we have the clean entryway. Thank God, it looks so much better. I need to find something to put at the top now that Christmas is gone and all the decor is gone. And then I'll obviously put that rug back once I wash it. And then here is the living room. It's just so clean and still lacking some decoration. I need some flowers in that vase, but that's okay. Here's cute Marshy again. And then here is our dining room area. So we have just a hot mess. We've got some Christmas decorations. We have that bar cart that I put over there, some dog food on the floor, and then a bunch of containers that I have to find a home for, or either just get rid of them. And those tiered trays I have to decorate. Oh, it's just a hot mess. And then we don't have a dining room table at the moment, so we have this card table that was given to us, and it's not in the greatest shape, but it serves its purpose and it's fine. It's totally doable, and we have the bar stool, so it totally works, and that's what matters the most. So this room that I'm putting that chair into is kind of like our junk room, and I'm going to go ahead and tackle that soon. So hopefully you'll be seeing a video on that very soon. So here's the finished product. Stay tuned for part 2.